So this is called the counting exercise, and the way it works is this. You inhale for 8 counts, you hold the breath for 8 counts, and then you release it for 8 counts. A few things to think about. When you breathe in, imagine you've got a bottle of water and you're filling from the bottom up. There's no motion in the shoulders, no tension here in the neck, anything. It should all be down here. Then when you hold the breath, it should be held in the lower portion of the lungs here. So I can still talk and I've still got air held in here. Then when you let the breath out, I want you to think about a long, thin tunnel, almost like you're breathing out through a straw. Not a funnel shape. The air's all gone, because at the end of a phrase when we're singing, it's not going to be very good. So a nice, thin, controlled breath. You will find that you might have a little bit more air than releasing for 8. But with this exercise, as you get better at it and you build up more control, I'd like you to extend it. So exhale for 8, exhale for 10, exhale for 12. And over a period of time, see how long you can exhale for. Now there's 3 ways I'd like you to exhale. First one we're going to do is a breath. The second one we're going to do is a s. And the third one that we're going to do is a zzz. Now all of these sounds make a big difference to the speed of the airflow. The first one, the breath, the air has no constriction, it's just going to come straight out. With the s, the vocal folds are still relatively open and the sound is formed at the front of the mouth, allowing the sound to come through. And then with the zzz, we're now engaging the vocal folds, so it slows down the breath. All different speeds to help you learn and control your diaphragm. So let's have a go at the counting exercise. Here we go. Okay, get ready to start breathing in. Okay, inhale, inhale. Then hold it. And release it. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In again, 2. And hold it. And let it out, out. 7. We're going to do one more time in. And hold it. And let it out, out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.